Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, saws, milling machines, lathes, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you one of our favorite brands. This happens to be an American-made Doall. It's a 9x16. You'll have your 16 inches by 9 inches tall, meaning you could do a 9-inch round on this machine. Simple work light. This is a simple manual machine. Lift up the head. That's going to catch your vise right here, depending on your material. Once you set your first material, you go ahead and bring it to where you're going to need it. And most of the time for advancing material, you'll just need to tighten just a tiny bit, 1/4 of an inch pretty much, and that should be able to secure your piece. Got your blade tensioner on this side. Everything else has been gone through. We'll start the machine. Now it's a very simple machine, 2 wheels of course. All the belts, the blade's going to depend on what type of material you're cutting. Your speeds are going to change depending on if you're cutting brass, aluminum, steel, even plastics. So once we have our blade going, if we need to change our speeds, we just crank this guy right here, give it a second, and now our speed's changed right here. You can see how many feet per minute we're turning. So we're going to set our feed force here is going to allow how fast the head's going to fall. We've got it in the hold position right now. Now we'll move it into the drop position, and you can see the head is coming down. We'll increase the speed, decrease the speed. Now you can see also right here we have our coolant hose. There's a coolant setup right down here. You can see our coolant pump. And that's going to spray the coolant right here on the blade, keep it nice and cool, give the blade some lasting life, and make your piece get cut a lot easier. Now if you're looking for a saw like this, if you're looking for something that's fully automatic, manual, semi-automatic, vertical, horizontal, we'd love to buy, sell, and trade with you. Let us know how we can help out. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.